Alright, y'all. Today we're gonna just be making like a 5-10 minute long form video riding around on this 48 volt mini bike right here. It only goes like 30 if you got a little bit. No brakes, so I gotta use my foot brakes, but we're just gonna be riding around having some fun.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Sorry, this thing only videos, my camera only videos for 3 minutes and then it stops. So if y'all see like quick pauses, it's just because I had to say for it to start recording again. But as I was saying, the best thing about this not having brakes is that
Has it stopped yet?
it stopped once. I already started it back. But it just like, even though it doesn't have brakes, the wheels are so small that they stop rolling so fast. So it's really, you decelerate if you're not holding the throttle. We just need to we're about to buy some hydraulic brakes for this. Because we already got the brake adapter. I don't know why he went. Hit the what you gonna call it? Wilson? Alright. Bro, I'm gonna have to blur out all the streets. It's gonna be so hard. My girl don't want me. Wait for the green light! Always follow the rules. If any of y'all watch my video, always follow road laws. What? Oh, Gatorade break? Yeah, you got that. Yeah, he's way back there. I hit 30. Oh my gosh, I'm so cool. Can you see if there's a setting on your phone where you can make this video for longer than 3 minutes? No, you haven't! Actually try, because it's going to be annoying.
Can I make my meta video longer than 3 minutes?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Siri sucks.
You're still connected to this, that's why.
Are you asking?
Hey, alright y'all, we made it to the train tracks. Right here. We're gonna do a speed test, but first we're gonna go to this cool spot. Right here. So, oh gosh. Somebody left their Crocs.
Oh, W picture.
I might get an edit right there.
I gotta pee.
It's a great edit spot right here because you got that rock you can edit on. And you got that little stone thing. I might record. Bro, I'm gonna talk to the camera. Can y'all just video the bike really quick? Hey Meta, are you recording? Hey Meta. Hey Meta. Hey Meta.
Bro, your thing cannot handle that, bro. white lights on.
Hey, Meta. Hey, Meta. Oh, wait.
Milford Jackson.
All right, bro. I'm about to hit a knee wheelie. Oh. Hold up. See if we can hit a knee wheelie. Knee wheelie. All right. Oh, I gotta catch up, though. Oh, shoot. Try that one more time. Bro, this thing's balance point is so low, I don't know if I can. Lucky, that might just be an excuse on it. I don't know if that's true or not, but it feels like it. Bro, I can't knee wheelie right now.
Bro, let's get out.
Tuck down all the mirrors and... I didn't even crash on anything, I just fell. Should we put that on YouTube?
Yeah.
That most embarrassing crash of 2025, 2026.
In the description of Milford Jackson.
Milford Jackson crashes e-bike. I think it hurt at least. All I did, it was like when whenever you sit on a bike and you go over the side of the kick.
Milford Jackson.
Is that above a truck right there?
Just letting it go.
Somebody's angry, bro. Yeah, that was that Milford Jackson? Was she letting us go or not?
I don't know.
She's like this. Bray went and then she's like, all right. She's like, all right, come on. And then the guy honked at her. She. That was definitely Milford Jackson.
Milford Jackson material right there.
Took down all the mirrors in my. Traffic control. Loose. You gotta stop at a stop sign. You guys look at my toe.
Right, why did they
Were they letting us go or no? It's on video. We can look at it.
It was the car.
I think the car behind him honked. The dad was like, "Meh!" It was definitely Milford Jackson.
Milford Jackson wrong.
No. If you watch this video, comment Milford Jackson. That's how we'll know if you stay till the end. Because that's probably going to be the last part of the video.
Milford Jackson honks. Milford Jackson crashes.